Hello and welcome to Simplified, a segment where we take automotive concepts and break them down into bite-sized pieces so you can digest them easily. Today we are going to dip into a new one. Why does engine oil turn black and should you be worried about it? Now, prolonged exposure to variations in temperature affects your oil's color. Now, in the process of running through the engine parts, the engine oil removes impurities, drags and transports them to the filters to completely eliminate them from the engine. These impurities could be leaked gases from the combustion chamber, carbon deposits, sludge, microparticles that escape air filters, or just impurities in fuels, something that is very common in India. If your engine oil is turning black, then it is doing the job it's supposed to do. Attract and extract impurities from the engine so it runs cleaner and more efficiently. So we asked experts at ELF on this topic and here's what they had to say. Due to the two factors, the exposure to wide temperature range and the deposition of impurities, the engine oil undergoes oxidation that results in its color turning black, similar to the brown color on a cut apple. Remember? Oxidation of engine oil is inevitable with usage over a period of time. So engine oil turning black is not necessarily a bad thing, provided all performance parameters of the oil are intact. Now, engine oils like ELF Moto 4 Tech have antioxidants that help slow down the aging process, which means the engine oil lasts longer, offering extended oil change intervals. That brings us to the question, when to change your engine oil? And honestly, it's not complicated. You should change it at intervals as mentioned in your manual or as told by the vehicle manufacturer. It's very simple. They put in hundreds of hours and thousands of miles of testing and then conclude on oil change intervals best suited for your vehicle. So what have we learned? Do not forget to regularly check the oil level with a dipstick. In case the oil has changed color too drastically or if the level is below the low mark, it's time to go grab your next can of ELF engine oil for an overdue oil change. Follow the link in the description to purchase your next bottle of ELF engine oil on Amazon. See you next time on Simplified.